Welcome back to the YINK Software tutorial series. In this video, I'll guide you through how to use the import file function. YINK not only allows deep editing of its built-in data, but it also supports importing external data. So, if you have your own data, YINK fully supports importing, saving, sharing, and editing it further. Here's how to use the import file function. 1. Click the Import File button. 2. YINK only supports files in the .svg format, so choose a file from your computer with the .svg extension. 3. Once imported, click the refresh button to begin editing or performing other operations on the file. This feature is especially useful if you have your own scanner and want to add your own data to YINK's system. Using the import file function, you can enhance your personal database and make the most of YINK's powerful tools. That's it. Now you know how to import your own files and start working on them in YINK. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on using YINK software.